Hello everyone. I'm in this beautiful forest, just enjoying being in the present moment. And this is why I want to share this with you today. Really about when do you really start living? Because you realize at some point in your life that the true existence of reality is not what you thought. I realized that shortly after my birthday, when I reached 40. That's how long it took me to realize that I wasn't really living my life. I wasn't really connecting to my inner being. I wasn't aware of myself within. So you can only start living when you have a awareness, spaciousness within you. And from that space, you can connect to your surroundings and to all forms of life. In order to achieve that, you need sensory perceptions. You need to quiet your thoughts and just be in the present moment. When nothing else exists, there are no conditionings. No worries. Just this moment where you are so deeply connected to yourself and to nature, where you can truly feel the energy. It's like this flower. What do you see when you look at the flowers? How do you view them? It's just a quick glance. If you truly look at them, not as flowers, but as forms of life, and just really look at them, then you really start to feel a deeper connection, because they are a part of the universe, just like us. We are all interconnected to everything. We think too much, but feel too little, because we are so engraved in the superficial aspects of modern life. We really don't see the abundance around, the enrichedness of what we already have. We are oftentimes just focusing on the big achieve certain things. And of course, there's nothing wrong wanting to be successful. However, we have to be careful not to fall into the trappings of worldly successes at the expense of our own emotional and spiritual fulfillment. We still want to appreciate what we have here and now, because we may not be here tomorrow, and all this nature will one day disappear. And like Mo Gaudat, ex-business chief business officer of Google and artificial intelligence expert, said in one of his podcasts that humans will give up nature for convenience. And that could also apply to our human connection. We are so engraved in modern technology. We are entertained by so many things, social media and other things. We just don't see the beauty around. We also are so stressed. Unfortunately, stress undermines our ability to regulate our impulses. So we would entertain ourselves with different things, trying to fulfill a craving for something, or we somehow feel unfulfilled inside because we haven't achieved something, or we feel undervalued, we feel unloved, and we need some sort of validation. But really, living is about here and now. And just connecting to that deeper part of yourself, where there is that awareness within you that lives through you and breathes through you. And then from that space you begin to see the beautiful wonders of nature. And then you realize you don't really need all the other things in life. It's all about this moment. So I hope you will feel that one day, because you will wake up one day in a 10-20 years time and realize you weren't really living your life.